Okay, just pulling the information out of number 3, you should have seen that you have a sample size of 16, a sample mean of 88, a sample standard deviation of 31.25. That means you're going to use the t-distribution. You're going to have a degrees of freedom equal to n minus 1 or 15 when we do that. So question A, is the sample size large enough? And the answer is, well, it depends. We do need to make assumptions, and our assumptions would be no outliers and no extreme values. Skew is okay since we have larger than 15. So then we'll do our 95% confidence interval, and the confidence interval is always the statistic plus or minus confidence coefficient times standard error, and SX bar in this case is equal to S divided by the square root of N. So 88 plus or minus, and with 15 degrees of freedom and 95% confidence, go to your t table and you should get 2.131, and then S was 31.25 divided by the square root of N, which was 16, and that will all get us 71.35 to 104.65. And so that's our interval. And C, based on that interval, can we conclude that the population mean is less than 103? And the answer to that is no, because the entire interval is not less than 103. It could be as high as 104.65, and that is not less than 103. So for number 3, using the calculator, we would select stat, tests, and this is a t, but it's a t interval, so go down to option 8, and then our sample mean was 88. Our sample standard deviation was 31.25. Sample size was 16. Our confidence level was 95, and calculate, and we should momentarily get a confidence interval that matches up with what we had in the problem, and we do.